Hi, I'm Grace Dearborn. I work for a company called Conscious Teaching, and what I do is I travel the country and internationally doing workshops with teachers around classroom management and also around brain-compatible instructional design. I was a teacher for many years in the classroom. I taught high school, middle school, and elementary school, so I've been around a little bit. And over that time, I learned some techniques, some things that worked for me and then worked for teachers that I've mentored over the years to help them structure the safe classrooms, the safe learning environments that they always wanted to have. If you'd like to find out more information about Conscious Teaching or about me, you can find that information at our website, which is consciousteaching.com. You can also find information there about our best-selling book, Conscious Classroom Management, and about our online course on classroom management. Pretty soon we're going to be coming out with a Lumi book, which is a live interactive book through PD360, and that will be the second edition of our Conscious Classroom Management book. It's a terrific resource for book study and for finding out more strategies, more ideas about creating that safe and structured classroom. Another thing you can find on our website are lots and lots of strategies for teaching in the classroom. We have lots of free resources there for you, and we have a way for you to sign up for our e-newsletter, which I put out once a season and is just more tips for teachers. If you like the things that you hear in this video series, you're going to like the things that we put in the newsletter and the things that we've put up for you on our website, so I encourage you to visit. And now I'm going to talk to you a little bit in this series about all the different elements of classroom management. Everything from dealing with individual challenging students to dealing with the chaos of a whole classroom that is out of control. Ideas and strategies for arguing, for cell phones, for students being off task. I hope you can find something that will be of practical use to you. Enjoy.